Go ahead and turn the grinder off when the basket is full. The next thing I'm going to do is settle the coffee into the portafilter basket, which is this motion here. Each time you settle it, you're enabling it to fit another gram of coffee inside the portafilter basket. Now that the coffee is a little settled into that basket, I'm going to be able to dose a little bit more coffee into the basket. Next, I'm going to level off the coffee in the portafilter basket. When I'm doing this, I'm not only creating a nice, even, flat surface on the top of the basket, but I'm also kind of pushing the coffee around in such a way that it's kind of evenly distributed within the basket. All right. So the reason that you do that is if there's any area in the portafilter basket where there's less coffee than another area, it's going to create a path of least resistance where the water is going to travel through during the extraction process. That's an extraction flaw, and you're going to be able to taste that in the final cup.